The world is changing. It's accelerating, unlike anything we have experienced before. In the 18th century, the world was introduced to steam machines. That marks the very first industrial revolution. Before the introduction of public electricity, candles and gas lamps were used to light homes and factories. The second industrial revolution happened in the 19th century and witnessed the expansion of electricity. The third industrial revolution happened in the 20th century. It showed the world the rise of electronics and information technology, from microprocessor to the rise of telecommunications and computers. Today we are in the early stage of fourth industrial revolution, that bringing together digital, physical, and biological innovations. What seems to be yesterday's science fiction is becoming today's reality. So how do we survive this era? The choice is clear: to innovate and adapt, or to be left behind. There are communities that works for the far future, building an ecosystem that have real impact for the society, searching for innovation for a better tomorrow.
Again, the plug and play in Indonesia is in a mission of building an ecosystem where everyone plays a very important role. But I want to pinpoint the most important role that I see is that the collaboration between startups and corporate. That is what plug and play has been doing.
This community is an ultimate innovation platform for 4.0 industrial revolution.
Inilah yang saya sampaikan 2,5 tahun yang lalu, bahwa plug and play Indonesia untuk apa? Membangun ekosistem.
Creating the strongest collaboration between innovative startup and the largest corporation in the world. GK Plug and Play, leading through innovation.